This is Nišava river. This river starts in Godič and it goes through Serbia. So this river literally starts here, where I have stepped on. So here on the left, on the right, there is nothing, there is no water here. This is what I see like on my right hand side. And the river literally starts from here. So this is the beginning of Nišava river. So if you drink this water?
I think it's clean, but I don't want to drink.
And this is really Nišava river. It's from here literally. And it took us like forever to get here. And this Godič. So there is only one way back. It was kind of complicated to get here. Okay, let's go back then.